Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of plant anatomy and taxonomy, made easy. First up, the basic parts of a plant. Plants have parts both above and below ground, each playing a crucial role in growth and medicinal properties. For the above-ground parts, leaves are like the kitchen of the plant where photosynthesis happens. Many medicinal properties come from leaves, like peppermint helping with digestion. Flowers often contain essential oils, such as chamomile flowers used for relaxation. Stems transport water and nutrients, and some are medicinal too. Think cinnamon from tree bark. Fruits and seeds also pack medicinal benefits like fennel seeds aiding digestion. Now, below ground parts. Roots absorb nutrients and water, storing medicinal compounds. Ginseng root, for example, boosts energy. Rhizomes are underground stems growing horizontally. Ginger and turmeric are great examples. Next, let's talk taxonomy, a family tree for plants. It organizes plants based on their characteristics. There are 7 main levels of plant classification, from broad to specific, starting with kingdom, where all plants belong to plantae. Phylum divides plants into major groups, like flowering plants versus ferns. Class groups them further based on structure, such as monocots versus dicots. Order groups related plant families, and family groups plants with similar traits. Genus is a group of closely related species, and finally, species gives the specific plant name. For example, let's classify peppermint. It's in the Plantae kingdom, Angiosperms phylum, Dicot class, Lamiales order, Lamiaceae family, Mentha genus, and the species is Mentha piperita. Why does taxonomy matter in herbalism? It helps avoid confusion between similar plants, ensures you use the right species for medicinal purposes, and helps identify related plants with similar effects. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to plant anatomy and taxonomy. Thanks for watching.